Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create company page on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I'm on my LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you how you can create the company page for your company or your small business or your education firm. You can create any kind of company page in LinkedIn. So first you have to log in your LinkedIn with your personal account. Then you have to click on this work icon. Just click this. You have to click this tiny icon and just click on create company page. So in order to create company page you need some networks. So if you create new account, then you need to build your account. So try to build your network first, then create company page. And here you can select the category, like if you have small business or you have medium business, you have showcase page, means you have the large business, or you have education institute, you can create. Okay, so you can create a company page for school, college, small business, anything. So I just select small business here. You have to give the name of this company. I just unit cast web tech zone. So guys, this is your url, your company url, your LinkedIn company page url. Okay, so if you want to send your company page LinkedIn link to others, you can copy it. Okay, copy this and this. Okay, open notebook and you can copy this first, and then again this one. So it is your company link. You can change it like this. Okay, so this is your website link. Okay, this is already exists, so you have to change this. Okay, so let me check it is available now. Okay, I think it is available. Here you have to enter your website. Okay, then your company, industry, your size, company type. Okay, you can upload logo. If you have logo of your company, you can upload from here, like png. You have to upload logo in png, jpg or jpg file only. This is your tagline of your company. So this is YouTube channel. So you can see the tagline has been appear here. Just verify and just create page. Okay, so page will be create. An error occur. Which error occur? Let's see. Public already in use. Okay, this URL I have to change now. Okay, so page has been created. I just change. Okay, so here also you can change anything. Go to the admin tools. You can post job, you can create event, you can manage admin, you can deactivate your page. There is a logo, description you can add. So you have to complete this page by add every detail. So first you have to add description, then logo, then location, next custom button, whatever you want. Okay, so once you create your page, you can go to your page by clicking on it, and this is your company page. Okay, this is my company page. You can also manage your company from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment this below.